Hey guys, welcome back to our channel ANKI and Isu. I am ANKI. Today in this video, I have bought an unboxing of bellabox for the month of December. Yes, it's almost Christmas here and holiday season in Australia and all around the world. Whoever celebrates Christmas, and this is the December month of product from bellabox, and I am going to unbox. And the first thing I can see is an illustration of bellabox product card for holiday haul, and it's such a nice illustration with a girl carrying all the presents. The first product I can see is Skin Regenerator Lotion. It's a 50 ml lotion from 40 Phantom, and I have a dry skin, so I think I can use a pump of pea-sized amount of lotion of in the palm of your hand and apply wherever face or wherever you require. So this is my first product. Second product I can see is Daily Nourish Body Moisturiser SPF 50 plus with SPF 50 plus from Derma Veen, and this is 20-gram cream sample size. This is my second product. So third product I can see is nail polish. So nail polish says be your incredible self with nails ink. So the color is nice with like pastel pink, I believe. The name of color is Mayfair, and I'm looking forward to apply to my nails and go to work. This is the third product. So fourth product I can see is Burt's Beeswax lip balm. It also has vitamin E and peppermint in it. So yeah, lip balm. So I can try anytime, or I can give it to Isu. Fourth product I can see, it's a liquid mineral concealer. It is a sample size of 2 ml from Nude by Nature. The color is light. The another product is sensitive skin cleanser from Nutri Synergy. So it has no petrochemicals and it is natural dermatology. The last product is a $100 wine voucher from Naked Wines in this special gift in this holiday season. So I think I can do a giveaway to you all guys, because you might celebrate Christmas or you might not, but it's the end of the year and end of the decade. So if you're interested in wines and stuff, maybe I will do a giveaway and you can just comment down below, and I will choose from random. I don't know, I have never done a giveaway, but if you're interested I can always give it to you guys, because it's a holiday season, and also it's already a 1200 plus subscriber. Yeah, simple as it is. I can also see the $5 off from 40 Phantom, so the skin lotion. So if I will try, and if I like it, I can always redeem. The last thing I can see in my box is an ingredient card of the product, and yeah, that's it. If you guys don't know about the bellabox, it's a monthly subscription beauty product. It has 5 to 6 products every month, and you can get in your home in your postage. It's just that you have to do subscription. I have monthly subscription. You can do 3-month subscription. You can give it to a gift to your friends, or you can do annual subscription, whichever you like, and I can cancel anytime. So it's a very good way of getting introduced to new product, new brands, because I'm experimenting right now, because I was not so exposed of beauty product and brands in my country, and it's always nice to have some little experiments. And also let me know by comment, like write a comment if you want a $100 wine voucher from Naked Wine. I'm happy to give it to you guys. And if there is like more than one person right there who writes the comment, I can always do like shuffling and give one of you guys. Yeah, but if you are the only one lucky guys, I can just give it to you. Hope to see you again. Bye guys, keep in touch.